Hello friends, hope you're all staying safe and healthy. This is Manjula Shrikant. It's been a long time since I have posted a video here. In this journey of pandemic situation where each and every one of us are facing one or the other turmoil, I learned a very important concept for life through one of my mentors. I thought this would be the right forum to share the concept, and I'm sure at the end of the day you will have a better meaning and value towards life. In order to demonstrate the concept, I would like to narrate a beautiful story. The concept is impermanence is permanent. Impermanence is permanent. And the story goes like this. Once upon a time, there lived a king. He said to his courtyard, I create the most expensive rings. I have bought the most beautiful diamonds in the world, and these diamonds should be studded in the ring. He also said, under the diamond, he wants to hide a message. And the message should be a short sentence with no longer 3 to 4 words. And the purpose of this message would be, whenever the king is in despair and he is left with no other option or choice towards life, this message should inspire him, motivate him, and also it should serve his successors. So he shared his desire of stashing a short sentence or as a message under the diamond in the ring. All the people in the courtyard who listened to this very carefully were very clever. They all came up with long passages and lengthy messages, and none were able to come up with a short sentence with 3 to 4 words which could inspire someone in the mid of despair. The king was so disappointed. He thought he should consult his old servant. The king's mother died at a very early age, and it is this old servant who took care of and raised the king with great love and affection. The king visited the old servant, and he also shared his desire to hide a message under the diamond in the ring. The king had great respect towards the old servant, and the old servant is being part of the king's family. The old servant said, I am not so wise, scholarly, or educated as you are all, but then yes, I can give you a short sentence with 3 to 4 words. Long time ago, your father had invited a wizard to our courtyard, and during his stay, I had served the wizard very well, and because of my service and hospitality, he was very impressed, and he gave me this short sentence to thank me and to acknowledge my service. I will definitely share that sentence to you. Saying that, the old servant wrote the sentence in a small chit and handed it over to the king. The king was so happy. He was about to open the chit and read. The old servant said, my dear king, do not read it now. Read it when you are in real despair and when you have no other choice or option for life. So this incident happened, and it's been a long time forgotten. The kingdom was invaded by the enemies. The king lost his kingdom, the troop was dissolved, and he also lost himself in the forest. He lost his horse. There were no troops for him to fight back. So the king had reached a cliff where there was no way to return. He was in total despair and no other choice or option left for life. He suddenly remembered the chit which is stashed under the diamond in the ring. He opened the chit and read it, and it read, "This too shall pass." Wow, what a beautiful sentence. This too shall pass. A brief silence engulfed the king for few minutes, and he realized that this situation will not last long. So it was a great inspiration for him. He was motivated, and he again looked back at the life and fought for it. He got his troop, he fought against the enemies, he got his lost kingdom. Now, the king and his troop were returning to the kingdom. There were celebrations everywhere. The king was demonstrating his success and his victory, and his courtyard was praising his bravery and success. So it was a sheer moment of joy in the kingdom. The old servant who was standing next to the king said, "This moment is also right to read the message again." The king was shocked. He said, "I am in victory now. The entire kingdom is happy. They are celebrating my success. They are appreciating my bravery. I am not in any despair. Why should I read the message?" The old servant said, "The message will serve both the times, whether it is good or bad. It's good to read it again." So the king read the message, and it very evidently said, "This too shall pass." A long silence enveloped the king, and the king realized whether it is failure or success, happiness or sadness, it will not last long. Though the king was celebrating his success, his pride and ego disappeared. The king got enlightened and realized impermanence is permanent. So the old servant said, the success or the failure, the happiness or the sadness or the challenging situation is like day and night. It will not last for long. We need to be patient enough. We need to receive both the situations in the same way and stand strong to emerge as a winner. So this story demonstrates impermanence is permanent. So I'm sure, my dear friends, this pandemic situation will not stay for long. This too shall pass, and there is always a light and a ray of hope at the end of the tunnel.